Creating multiple SuiteDash dashboards for different teams can significantly streamline your operations and keep your business organized. But how do you set it all up efficiently? In this quick SuiteDash explainer, I'll walk you through the steps to create customized dashboards for various teams so you can boost collaboration and keep everyone on track. First, let's start by understanding what dashboards in SuiteDash actually are. A dashboard is your control center where your teams can see everything they need, all in one place. The beauty of SuiteDash is that it allows you to create different dashboards for different teams, each with its own customized features. This gives you control over what information is visible to whom. Next thing, to create a new dashboard, you'll need to access the admin area of your SuiteDash account. From here, go to the Dashboards section. Click on Create New to start building your first team-specific dashboard. You'll be prompted to select the type of dashboard you want, whether it's a project overview, a client-facing dashboard, or something for internal team use only. This gives you the flexibility to tailor the experience based on your team's needs. The third thing, once you've created the dashboard, it's time to customize it for the specific team. For instance, let's say you're building one for your marketing team. You might want to add analytics widgets, task management tools, and social media reports. For your sales team, on the other hand, you could add lead tracking, CRM information, and sales pipeline updates. The customization options are pretty broad, so you can get specific about what each team needs to see. Next, be mindful of permissions. SuiteDash makes it easy to restrict access so that only the right people see the right information. This is where the power of the software shines. When you set up dashboards, you can assign permissions to specific users or groups within your team. For example, you may want a senior team member to have full access to all dashboards, while a junior employee only has access to the sales dashboard. This keeps sensitive data secure and ensures each team is focused on what matters most to them. The fifth thing to keep in mind is how SuiteDash allows you to add and integrate other tools directly into the dashboard. For example, you can integrate Google Analytics, email automation systems, or even your accounting software. This creates a seamless experience for your teams, as everything they need is in one place, without having to jump between apps. Now, there are some competitors out there like Monday.com, Asana, or Zoho projects that also offer customizable dashboards. But here's the catch, none of them quite give you the same level of all-in-one control that SuiteDash does. Many of those tools are better suited for specific tasks, but they lack the ability to fully consolidate everything under one roof. If you're looking for a more comprehensive system that also handles client management, billing, and internal communication, SuiteDash is hard to beat. Finally, before we wrap up, let me give you a special offer. If you want to try SuiteDash for yourself, we've got an exclusive, extended free trial through our link below. But here's the best part. I've also included some alternative solutions that might be a better fit for your specific needs. These tools also offer free trials, and I've broken down which one might be more effective for creating the types of dashboards we talked about in today's video. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. So, now that you know how to create multiple SuiteDash dashboards for different teams, it's time to decide which tool is best for you. Click the link below to get started, and let's help you find the perfect solution for your business.